your neighbors or your mates on the end of this table. I just need to say I'm grateful, need a way to say it all, cause out of the two of us, you're surely the bravest now. Please be patient with me, please just wait and give me time for this side in me to awake and this side in me to arrive. And then I'll try to make it work. Oh yes, I'll try to eat some dirt and be the guy that you can lean on. Yeah, the guy that you deserve. Just a bit of time and I can give you peace of mind so we can take a breath, realign our stories, take a breath. Now stay with me, you're running out of poetry, don't let it get you down. Get up, wake up now. Get up, make it sound. Screaming from the side, hoping you last another round. Get up, wake up now. Get up, make it sound. Nobody's really far away nowadays, cause we can see them on our screens and we fulfill our instant needs. And then we don't know what to say when a moment cries for meaning. We just see them and it fades, and we forget we really need them for the wisdom that they own and the things that you call home. My fucking legs and feet are tired, for the grass is always greener. Man, the Garden of Eden was a fuck up for a reason. So let's write this one together, and let's not forget to read and play. Just a bit of time and I can give you peace of mind so we can take a breath, realign our story, take a breath. Stay with me,